Hey guys, this is November Loot Crate. I haven't uploaded the October one. I'm gonna upload it tomorrow from class, first hour probably, and then November, this one will probably be up Wednesday. Probably upload it from study hall or something. So, how y'all doing? It's been a while. I have a Clips of the Week video coming out too. I had to do the voiceover, and I just never got to the voiceover, so I didn't upload it. So, this month's theme was something about magic. So it was like Doctor Strange and stuff. We start with a Doctor Strange Q fig. And then we got this journal thing in Game of Thrones. It says, "The night is dark and full of terrors." You know, my friend? Oh man, I almost lost it. And I got an Elder Scrolls Online loot pen, P-I-N pen. We got a comic book called Big Trouble in Little China, Escape from New York. It's China, but it's New York, oh my god. Then we got this crap magazine thing. And then we got the shirt. It says, "Become an Obliviator. Recruiting now. Every half moon of the month." And it says, Makusa. I don't know what this is, but it's there. Oh, it's from Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them. That's that Harry Potter thing crap. Spin off. So now we're gonna turn the box inside out. You know, I'm so unenthusiastic with these, and I end up giving half the crap to my brother. But I wear the shirt. I'll tell you that. I love a good shirt. Shirts are like my life, guys. I'm happy it's just inside out and it's not no crappy mask ripping out and crap like last one. That took forever. So, what it is kick it in. It says magical. It's got all this crap. Magical. So, that's November Loot Crate. You guys can expect 3 videos, the second of 3 videos this week. So, I will talk to you guys later. Peace.